20 amazing concepts of the future. Montages of breathtaking futuristic landscapes, robots interacting with humans, advanced transportation systems, and people using technology. Imagine a world where the impossible becomes possible, where technology expands our horizons and reshapes how we live, love, and explore. Buckle up, because we're taking a glimpse into the future where 20 incredible concepts await. Number 1. Transforming ourselves. People wearing AR glasses interact with virtual information overlaid on the real world, navigating cities with personalized directions and controlling smart home devices with gestures. AR will seamlessly blend the digital and physical, enhancing our perception of the world and offering instant information access. 3D printers crafting intricate organ models. Surgeons replacing damaged organs with biocompatible 3D printed versions. 3D printing will transform healthcare, enabling the creation of personalized organs and tissues, saving countless lives. Number 2, reshaping our planet. Sprawling urban landscapes are built up, not out, with self-sufficient, energy-efficient megastructures integrating nature and technology. Cities will rise skyward, optimizing land use, embracing renewable energy, and reducing environmental impact. Sleek pods glide through vacuum-sealed tubes at supersonic speeds, connecting continents in minutes. Hyperloop will revolutionize travel, making long distances disappear and transforming how we explore the world. Underwater farms flourishing with seaweed. Number 3. Beyond our Earth, civilians board reusable rockets, witnessing stunning Earth views from orbit, experiencing zero gravity, and even staying in space hotels. Space travel will no longer be for the elite. We'll explore the cosmos, witness the wonders of space, and push the boundaries of human exploration. Robots extracting precious resources from asteroids, spacecraft, transporting valuable materials back to Earth, fueling technological advancements. Resource-rich asteroids will become our next frontier, providing invaluable materials for Earth and propelling innovation to new heights. Number 4. The future is now. Powerful quantum computers solve complex problems, simulate molecules, and revolutionize fields from medicine to finance. Quantum computing will unlock the secrets of the universe, accelerate scientific breakthroughs, and push the limits of human knowledge. Montages of all the previous concepts interweaved, showcasing a vibrant future full of possibilities. These are just a glimpse into the future that awaits. A future where imagination becomes reality, where we break the bounds of the present and forge a path toward a more sustainable, connected, and extraordinary world. This is not science fiction, it's I will, the future we're building together. Number 5. Personalized education, tailored to your brain. AI tutors analyze students' brainwaves, customizing learning paths, and providing immersive virtual learning experiences. Education will become hyper-personalized, catering to individual learning styles and maximizing cognitive potential. Sophisticated AI companions engage in natural conversations, offering emotional support and assisting with daily tasks. The line between human and machine communication will blur. AI companions will become trusted friends, advisors, and even creative partners. Number 6. Connecting everything. Everyday objects communicate seamlessly. Smart homes anticipate your needs, and city infrastructure optimizes resources in real time. The IoT will weave information into every aspect of our lives, improving efficiency, creating a more responsive world, and blurring the lines between physical and digital. Secure, transparent digital transactions without intermediaries, empowering individuals and revolutionizing industries like finance and healthcare. Blockchain will disrupt traditional systems, empower individuals to control their data, and create a more equitable and secure digital ecosystem. Number 7. Clean fusion energy powers the world. Fusion reactors generate limitless clean energy, powering cities, desalination plants, and transportation systems. Fusion energy will solve the climate crisis and provide unlimited energy for generations to come. Ecosystems are restored and land is rejuvenated with diverse crops and biodiverse farming practices, ensuring food security and biodiversity. Regenerative agriculture will heal the planet, feed future generations, and create a symbiotic relationship between humans and nature. Number 8. A shared future for all. Diverse cultures celebrate together. Advancements in accessibility and inclusivity, and global collaboration for a shared future. The future we choose will be a future for all. By embracing diversity, equity, and inclusion, we can create a world where everyone thrives and reaches their full potential. The traditional 9-to-5 job is becoming obsolete. The gig economy will offer more flexibility and opportunity, but also poses challenges for workers' rights and benefits. Number 9. The automation of jobs. Robots and AI take over tasks once done by humans, from manufacturing to customer service service to healthcare. Automation will displace millions of jobs, but also create new opportunities in new fields. It is important to invest in education and training to prepare for the future of work. Number 10. The rise of artificial intelligence AI becoming increasingly sophisticated, from self-driving cars to virtual assistants to medical diagnosis. AI has the potential to revolutionize our lives, but it is important to use it responsibly and ethically. We need to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. The future is full of possibilities, both exciting and challenging. It is up to us to shape the future we want to see. By embracing innovation and working together, we can create a better future for all. Number 11. Animation of drones collecting plastic from the ocean, protecting our oceans from pollution. Ocean cleanup drones could play a crucial role in preserving marine life by autonomously collecting and removing plastic waste from our oceans. The animation opens with a shot of a vast polluted ocean. Plastic garbage of all shapes and sizes is bobbing on the waves, creating an ugly eyesore. A pod of dolphins swims through the debris, dodging plastic bags and bottles. Number 12. Mind-controlled technology. The power of thought. Mind-controlled technology could give us the ability to interact with devices using our minds, opening up new possibilities for communication and control. Open with a close-up of a person's eyes, focused intently on a screen. Their brainwaves flicker on a monitor nearby, revealing the intense mental activity happening within. For centuries, the idea of controlling objects with our minds has captured our imagination, from telekinesis in science fiction to the Jedi mind tricks of Star Wars. Number 13. Bioengineered organ transplants. A revolution in organ transplants. Bioengineered organs could eliminate the need for organ donors, offering customized and readily available organs for those in need. Open with a shot of a person lying in a hospital bed, pale and weak. They're attached to machines, waiting for a life-saving organ transplant that may never come. Number 14. Lunar colonies. Our future extends beyond Earth. Lunar colonies could become a reality, providing new opportunities for scientific research, resource exploration, and even human habitation beyond our home planet. For millennia, we've gazed at the moon, its luminous orb hanging silently in the night sky. It has fueled our dreams, inspired our myths, and beckoned us with the promise of the unknown. Now, on the cusp of a new era, the dream of lunar colonies draws closer than ever. Number 15. Futuristic cityscape with smart infrastructure. Cities that think for themselves. Smart cities integrate technology to enhance efficiency, sustainability, and the overall quality of life for their residents. Pan over a sweeping panorama of a city bathed in the warm glow of a setting sun. But this is no ordinary metropolis. This is a futuristic cityscape pulsating with the intelligent life of its smart infrastructure. Number 16. Holographic entertainment. Step into a new dimension of entertainment. Holographic technology could transform the way we experience movies, concerts, and interactive gaming. Open with a shot of a dark theater. The audience murmurs with anticipation. Suddenly, the stage explodes with light, but not from spotlights. Instead, shimmering figures materialize in midair. Holographic performers singing, dancing, and interacting with the space around them. The audience gasps, jaws agape as the line between fantasy and reality blurs. Number 17. Visual representation of fusion energy. Unleashing the power of the stars. Fusion energy holds the promise of clean, limitless power, potentially solving our energy needs for centuries to come. Begin with a breathtaking vista of the sun, a swirling inferno of hydrogen plasma pulsing with unimaginable energy, depicting the core of the sun, where a symphony of nuclear fusion transforms atoms into pure light and heat. Number. Biodegradable plastics. A world without plastic pollution. Biodegradable plastics could offer a solution to our plastic waste crisis, breaking down harmlessly and reducing environmental impact. Open with a panoramic shot of a pristine beach. Waves lap lazily against the shore, but as the camera zooms in, the idyllic scene reveals a grim reality. Plastic debris scattered across the sand, bottles bobbing in the waves, and plastic bags snagged on rocks. Number 19. Sci-fi visualization of teleportation. Beam me up. While still in the realm of science fiction, teleportation could revolutionize travel by instantly transporting people and goods across the globe. Open with a bustling city scene, people rushing to work, cars streaming through crowded streets. A lone figure steps into a sleek, pulsating pod in a quiet corner. The air crackles with energy, swirling around the pod as it disappears in a blinding flash. Number 20. Brain-computer interfaces, connecting the mind to technology. Brain-computer interfaces could enable direct communication between the human brain and computers, opening up new possibilities for communication and control. Open with a close-up of a human eye. Behind it, a storm of electrical activity dances within the brain, representing the symphony of thought and imagination. Within the depths of our skulls lies a universe of unimaginable complexity, the human brain.